Hi viewers, in this video we will review Domain 7 and Domain 8 of CSSP certification. Domain 7 is Security Operations. In this domain, we will talk about understand and comply with investigations, evidence collection and handling, report and documentation, investigative techniques, digital forensic tool, tactics and procedures, artifacts, for example, computer network, mobile devices, conduct logging and monitoring activities, intrusion detection and prevention, security information and event management, SIM, continuous monitoring, egress monitoring, log management, threat intelligence, for example, threat feeds, threat hunting, user and entity behavior analytics, UEBA, perform configuration management, change management, provisioning, for example, provisioning, baselining, automation, apply foundational security operations concept, need to know least privilege, separation of duties and responsibilities, privileged account management, job rotation, service level agreements, SLAs, apply resource protection, media management, media protection techniques, conduct incident management, detection, response, mitigation, reporting, recovery, remediation, lessons learned, operate and maintain detective and preventive measures, firewalls, for example, next generation web application firewall networks, intrusion detection systems, and intrusion prevention system. Intrusion detection systems only detect and inform the administrators, but it will not take any action. Whereas in IPS or intrusion prevention system, it will take action as well. Whitelisting, blacklisting, third-party provided security services, sandboxing, honeypots, honeynets, anti-malware, machine learning, and artificial intelligence based tools. Implement and support patch and vulnerability management, understand and participate in change management process, implement recovery strategies, backup storage strategies, recovery site strategies, multiple processing sites, system resilience, high availability, quality of service, and fault tolerance. Implement disaster recovery processes, response, personal, communications, assessment, restoration, training and awareness, lessons learned. These all topics will be covered under implement disaster recovery process. Test this disaster recovery plans, DRP. Read through tabletop, walk through simulation, parallel, full interruption. So these are the different disaster recovery plans through which we can test our disaster recovery plans. Participate in business continuity planning and exercises. Implement and manage physical security, perimeter security controls, internal security controls. Address personal safety and security concerns, travel, security training and awareness, emergency management duties. Domain 8 is the last domain of CSSP certification, and it is called Software Development Security. Understand, integrate security in the software development lifecycle. Development methodology, for example, Agile, Waterfall, DevOps, Dev Security Ops, maturity model, for example, Capability Maturity Model, CMM, Software Assurance Maturity Model, SAMM, and for OT there is another maturity model is used, which is known as C2M2. Operation and maintenance, change management, integrated product team. Identify and apply security control software development ecosystem, programming languages, libraries, tool sets, integrated development environment, IDE, runtime, continuous integration and continuous delivery, security orchestration, automation, and response, also known as SOAR. Software configuration management, code repositories, application security testing, for example, static application security testing, SAST, dynamic application security testing, DAST. Awareness, assess the effectiveness of software security, auditing and logging of changes, risk analysis and mitigation, assess security impacts of acquired software, commercial off the shelf, open source, third party, manage services, for example, software as a service, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service. Define and apply secure coding guidelines and standards. Security weaknesses and vulnerabilities at the source code level. Security of application, programming interface, APIs, secure coding practices, software defined security.